Parade was us consolidating the sound of Spandau. True was us finding that. So this album was like, we're comfortable about our sound now. And I knew what the band sounded like, what I could write with saxophone in mind and with Tony's voice in mind, and the kind of style that we had found on True with Swain and Jolly. The artwork is bigger, and we spent a long time getting the Parade photographed at the bottom of the sleeve. And I remember when it came out on CD, and you couldn't even, they were just a few pixels at the bottom, printed badly. But so I'm all for putting Parade back out there on a nice new vinyl offering on the 35th anniversary.